Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Star Pinoy TV series of interview, and thank you for inviting me here and choosing me as one of your executive producer with Loily Sondra. And I'm really impressed about this group of Filipino community who decided to have this group, so at least magkakaroon tayo ng sariling TV Pinoy dito sa Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and it will be a worldwide. So when I was chosen, when I was approached, I asked the question, why did you all choose me to be executive producer of the Star Pinoy TV? So they have told me everything, what they were in their mind personally. I don't have to elaborate it, but I was so proud that I was chosen to be one of them, and I was really overwhelmed because I said, what I gonna do with this? So I thought it's all media or what. But I think my intention here as executive producer is to support you guys, as what you have said to me, that ako lang ang nanay and tatay ninyo si Loily Sondra, because you have to form a group and a compact relationship to go on with what you are achieving in Saudi Arabia for the Filipino community and at the same time international staffs. Hindi lang tayo po focus sa mga professional, but also those working so hard on the field that it's really very hard for them to come here just to look for money. And we are all agree with that before we came from Philippines, our target to come to Saudi Arabia is to earn more money for our purpose in our lives, right? So I'm so proud that I become the executive producer because I have so many plans for the community, to help the community out, and to make the Star Pinoy TV to be a very strong, vigilant group who will be the one to entertain the Filipino community in Riyadh and Saudi Arabia and international. And we are only not focusing on interviewing or kung anong mga biruan, but we are on reality with the evidence-based, kasi ayaw din natin na magkaroon tayo ng sabi-sabi dyan sa tabi-tabi kung mga ano. We don't like that to happen. So we are on reality show. We have always to be on the evidence, and good luck for all of us. Star Pinoy TV crew, I really admire you all. I salute you because I saw all your group so brilliant. And you have your own ideas in every segment you have. It is all the work of you guys. It's not me or Loily Sondra. We are only here to support you as your parents. Star kayo lahat sa amin.